Hey guys, I don't know if you noticed, but the weather is looking nice. And so we got the doors open. We've got everything popped open. So this will happen this time of year. Everybody's kind of getting rid of the winter funk. So it's gonna get really busy. Like, I'm gonna show you some stuff that I don't know if you've seen anywhere before. I don't know if the other guys are doing it. Comment if you're doing it. I don't know if there's people that's doing it like this, but we've got wrap truck, unwrap truck. This is one we did last year, crazy bright green. And to get this paint job would have been super expensive. This guy took some damage on the tailgate. It's in today, and we're just gonna fix it in less than a day and be back on the road. So that's pretty easy with a wrap. That's hard to do with a paint job. Catches a lot of attention because it's like 27 foot tall or something. Like, this is, you know, it's pretty big. I think it's a girl's truck too. I think a girl drives it. I think it's very exactly 27 feet tall. I've measured it with my tape measure. Nick's fixing it up. Well, this was a fun project we did, what, last year? We always get jazzed up when we do new colors. Like this truck is a new color. I don't think we've ever done this. This orange, I don't know if you can see. I'm trying to look at the way it rolls out. This thing is gonna be wild. And it's not even doing it justice in here. It's gonna be so bright. There's so much metallic. This color, oh my God. And wraps are popping. Everybody's trying to get on Nick's schedule. I think we booked out March in a weekend. Like, it was like, hey everybody, oh, we're booked, sorry, next month. So if you want to get on the schedule, you better do it now before summer. You gotta get your car wrapped, by here anyway. You don't want to get some always save wrap job. Sierra. So yeah, this is gonna be a really cool truck. It's gonna be wrapped in a metallic orange, black roof. You're gonna see him roll through. It's gonna be a lot of this happening. This one up here actually took a little damage on the pillar, or these little chrome pieces. They got a little too close. Winter can be hard on vehicles, and the thing about wrap is it protects the surface underneath it. Quick little swap out, it's back on the road. And he's dropping off his Corvette tonight when he picks this up. This is a fun little two-tone tuxedo wrap. You've seen this in here before. So it's a lot of stuff. A couple more days till that big project comes in. Then I got another big project coming in, and then I've got probably the biggest project I've had in this shop coming in. But I'm gonna wait and show you when you see it. So like, it's pretty wild. I may have forgot to order material for it, honestly. Like, I may have to do that today. So yeah, we're gonna like enjoy the weather, wrap some cars, tint some cars, have some fun. That's mine. I'm gonna sit in that chair and watch the guys work for a while, maybe. Let's go check the tint shop out. Let's go. And we made it. How quick was that, right? The guys always like to have the doors open. Up top, down here, they like to join the summer breeze. So we got a little sunshine today. Andre just made it back from Key West. He was on vacation. Andre, did you have a good time? I wanted to move to where you were at. It looks super dope down there. What are you guys doing here? You blacking out some taillights, marker lights? Custom fog light tinting. This is a Malibu RS, so this is pretty hit, you know what I mean? It's a nice truck. Yeah, it's nice. They need some paint protection film on this thing. Might just bring it up to them and say, hey, you know what you need? Paint protection. Might as well. That looks cool. They're not doing the headlights? Or they are? Oh, they did the tail lights already? Yeah. Let's check those out. We tint the thing? I guess we tinted it. Yeah, it looks good. Oh yeah, that's what it looks like done right there. Something about those initials I like. I think it looks good. That look good on somebody. Tinted taillights, headlights, tinted windows, badges. This thing's matching. It needs a little chrome delete and it'd be all set. So you guys been having a busy day today? You guys work hard? Yeah, it feels good. Honestly, it's a little tease for summer. I don't know what happened. There's like a light switch that went off. Boom, let's get it. Yeah, everybody's starting ready to get it mode. We love summertime. It's a whole different energy. Well, we need to get one going. I need to go down there for a week, kind of like remote shop or something. Yeah, see if I can kind of like survey some land, find me one. Business trip. In case the IRS is listening, we're going on a business trip. And a boat could be a write-off. That's what we do at the lake. We do a lot of business trips. What's going on in here? You guys working in here? Holy crap! Look at all this tin on the floor. Did any of it make it to the cars? Oh my gosh! You guys must have worked today. That's how you can tell. Like a barbershop with a bunch of hair on the ground. It's like, I can tell some tint went on the cars today. These two are my two troublemakers, Lewis and Austin. You guys all been with me now, like, what, 6 months? What? 6 months. 8 months? A couple years now? 2 years. 2 years? What? We're building their own shop up at the old carpet shop. We're gonna turn it into the workshop. Oh, this is one of our guys, Springfield Motors. He's a good dude. Oh, you know what? I forgot he needs a logo. He wants a logo for his office. I better put that in my notes real quick. Well, we got it all. I kind of showed you what's going on. We're just enjoying the weather. We're having a lot of fun. We're really looking forward to that summertime energy. People start getting their cars out and stuff, so we're excited about that. I think I'm gonna grab a broom, see if I can help clean up the mess around here and get these guys going, get them home today. I think they're ready for they're probably ready to get out of work today, I imagine. You guys tint enough cars today? You want me to get a couple more in here? We can get a couple more in here. No, everybody? All right. Save it tomorrow, all right. All right, we'll see you guys later. Thank you. I guess I have to start picking up this trash. Here, hold this for me.